what's up you guys? Tom is back with another Linson's video. Today we have a fragrance from Wataniah, but before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys again. It is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you're watching me in the back of an Uber right now. Maybe the Uber driver is driving like a maniac, trying to get you from point A to point B. By the way, if you are in an Uber, okay, if you're in an Uber, always think of it this way. Did they get you from A to B safely? Are you injured? Do you have any whiplash? If not, just give a 5-star, okay? Who cares if he's an a-hole? Who cares of all that? He got you from point A to point B. It's all that matters, okay? But anyways, if you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very, very important. Man, I've been meaning to get to this fragrance for the longest time. And it's been sitting there. It's been sitting there with the plastic on it still. I got a few more fragrances sit with plastic. I actually got some new ones on their way as well. But we finally got to this one. And I chose it because we finally have gotten some good weather. Man, the last couple of days have been like 50, like fall. Like, so it's like, you know, again, that's the beauty of summer, is when you start getting sick of those summer fragrances. You've already wore 30 of them already this month. Man, when you're in the Midwest, you get a few of those fall winter days where you can bring out the fall and winter frags and you are good to go. But this one looked like it was going to be a summer fragrance just because it's blue. Again, this is Wataniah, and this is Nadine. Okay, Nadine. Okay, again, you guys know this is Middle Eastern. Okay, abcfragrances.com, ABC International Limited. Okay, so made in the UAE. You got a batch code right there. See, made in 2022, so expires in 27. But again, Wataniah, I've done like a few fragrances from Wataniah. I forgot the name of them. I think Barik was one and something else. But I mean, for the price, they're okay. They're like 30 bucks, give or take. And honestly, I haven't really given a full wear to the Barik or the other Wataniah, but eventually I will. Maybe this one will be the one. Maybe with summertime being here, and maybe this is a summer fragrance, maybe this will be the one that finally decides to get some playtime. Okay, again, you guys already know, man, when you got a huge collection, just sometimes you forget about something, and then you're like, man, I forgot, I've never wore this one in a while, and you wear it. I got a few Kenzos I've unboxed. I put them on the shelf just to kind of make the shelf look full. I need to do an unboxing and a first review on those too, but just no time at all. But we're finally getting to this one, Wataniah. Okay, Nadine, Wataniah. Take a look at this bottle, Wataniah. Looks very nice, actually. So there's the bottle right there. Okay, cool, round, squarish blue bottle with this gold looking cap. Wataniah right there. Nadine. Okay, got this nice Arabic writing on here, and then on the back we got this little cool design. So on the bottom, just a sticker cap. It's actually a decent weight for this one. So there we go. That's the bottle. Let's see what this is all about. I don't know what the hell the notes are. We're just gonna go into it with an open mind. Nice wide distribution, nice fine mist. Super fruity. Fruity / powdery. Ooh. This has like a fruity, powdery, masculine, bossy type smell, okay? Ooh. I'm liking that one, you guys. This, ooh, smells really good in the air. Again, kind of this might have some of that stuff in it. Got me over here coughing like I've been hitting that thing and whatnot, but so in the air, it's like fruity and powdery, and it's got kind of like this masculine freshness about it that says, man, look at me, I'm a boss. Look, even though I'm wearing like this kind of fruity fragrance, but it's got that powderiness that gives it this mature, masculine take to it. Man, this is nice, you guys. Man, I didn't get closer to it. Almost has like this candy-like leathery smell to it. Maybe some kind of floral. On first spray, I'm digging this one. Okay, again, I don't know what this is a clone of. Again, obviously, most of the Middle Easterns are cloning something, okay? I don't think I've smelled something like this yet, neither, in my collection. Like this fruity, again, almost fruity, powdery, again. When you say fruity and powdery, sometimes you think maybe it's going to lean a little bit more feminine, but this really does, in my opinion, says this is a masculine boss style fragrance, but being different, not just smelling like vetiver and that earthy stuff and just fresh and green and soapy and stuff like this. This has, again, something in it that says, man, this is a boss style fragrance. Again, much different than anything else. Okay, again, you guys smell this, you might say, oh, I've smelled something like that before, but I don't think I've smelled something like this before. This is pretty unique, and again, it smells much different on the skin. Okay, and it's not to say I'm not a fan of it. I like it on the skin too. I just like the way it smells in the air a little bit more. Again, you get closer to it, almost kind of, again, almost like this leathery, almost leathery, woody, fruity smell. Okay, where the fruit is still nice, the leather is kind of playing the background, the wood is playing the background, and you get this little fruitiness. But again, in the air, it's fruity, it's kind of powdery, it's fresh, it's boss. This stuff, I like this. I mean, I don't know what the hell took me so long to open this. This thing's been sitting there for like a good, I don't know, probably like 5-6 months. And I've just let it sit there. And honestly, with this weather, this is perfect for a night out, okay? This is not a sexy date night fragrance, but this is a night out fragrance. You wear this night out, or if you're that boss. If you're that boss guy that's about to run into that office, go handle that business, go tell all them employees to shut the hell up and listen to me, I'm the boss. This is what you are going to be smelling like. Man, this stuff smells great. And I'm going to see if the wife likes it. If the wife is, I'm not sure if she can hear me. Babe? Wife? Hun bun? Come here real quick. See if you can smell this one. You might even be able to smell it once you get near that screen. But I like it. I really do. This is a very nice fragrance in my opinion. Again, much different than, in my opinion, anything that I have in my collection, honestly. Can you smell it in there? You can smell it in there? Maybe because she's smelling. Let me spray one more time real quick. Give her a fresh little dose of the medicine. We'll just...
Maybe I do smell it. Oh. See, it's going that way. Oh, it's kind of sweet. It's
again,
like that powder candy that from the tube.
Like Smarties, like or Sprees, or
you know, it used to come in a tube and it was powdered. They don't make them no more. It was from like the 90s.
Just the powdery stuff. But even then, I was thinking almost like
is it
I don't think so. I think it could be unisex, but I think it leans more masculine in my opinion.
Where are you wearing it?
Again, it smells on skin. It's much different, you guys. Okay.
Oh yeah.
But again, in the air, it smells almost like powdery candy, powdery fruity almost. But it smells like a masculine, it smells like a boss style fragrance, in my opinion. This
skin, but still sweet though, but more masculine.
this says meet me in the office. You're getting written up. Meet me in the office. I'm about to be checking those referrals that you got. I'm gonna be checking those because your work has been slacking. I'm the boss here. You're just the employee. This smells again like a boss style fragrance. Fruity, powdery, Okay, again, almost like how she said, like that powdery candy. Again, it smells fruity, powdery, but it smells so good. And again, you get closer to it, it smells a little different. Not that much different. You still get that fruitiness. Again, almost kind of like this woody, leathery vibe, but in the air, ooh. Man, I like this. And I think it was like $30 for this one. Man, if I were you guys, I would definitely check this one out. This thing smells bomb, you guys. Smells bomb. Now, again, we're gonna have to see what that you know, projection and performance is like. But again, I think performance is nice. I'm smelling it. The wife probably didn't smell it because she did have some lotion on and stuff like that, so she probably really didn't get a whiff of it. But once I spread it, she's gonna smell it. And honestly, I'm smelling it all in here, you guys. This is a loud fragrance, nice projection. Okay, again, fruity, powdery goodness, you guys. This smells great. There you guys go. Nadine from Wataniah. Again, I don't know who the hell Wataniah is. I don't know ABC perfumes. I don't know none of it. All I know is that perfume, that fragrance, that perfume. EDP, EDT, EDC, EBT, EFT, HIJ. They all smell good to me. Okay, so there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah.